In this video, I'll teach you how to gesso a panel for your paintings. What's up, creatives? Timothy Jan here. I'm a draftsman, painter, and a teacher, making videos to help improve your art. Let's learn something. What you'll need: old newspaper or newsprint, a 1/4-inch masonite panel, gesso, flat house painting brush, small plastic container for gesso, electric sander or a sanding block. Note: sanding by hand alone can cause an uneven surface, and you should avoid this. The sandpaper grit I usually use is between 140 and 220. Cut your board to the preferred size. Lightly sand the surface for better gesso adhesion. To prevent issues later on from a raised edge from cutting, don't forget to lightly sand the edges of the board. Place the board on newsprint. Apply gesso in one direction. Work to get a fairly consistent application on the surface. Allow to dry for 24 hours. Apply the second coat in the opposite direction and allow to dry for 24 hours. Repeat until there are 10 coats of gesso on the panel. To assure no issues when sanding, wait 48 hours before sanding. Sand the board until the desired tooth is achieved. Sand the edges by hand to prevent damage. Wipe off the debris with a dry paper towel and you're ready to paint. What type of surface do you like working on? Let me know in the comments. For more useful studio tips, check out my Art Tips playlist. If you found this helpful, please subscribe. Go be creative and make some art today. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.